Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location services and confirming network access. This gives maps permission and quick satellite fixes. Once done, make sure battery is adequate or connect power so the GPS can run without throttling. Open Apple Maps or Google Maps now and allow precise location when prompted. You need to be outside or near a window for faster fixes, so step outdoors if possible. This first phase gets your iPhone 16 Pro Max ready and pulls the initial satellite lock. Next, calibrate your compass by moving the iPhone in a figure 8 until the arrow stabilizes. This improves turn-by-turn accuracy. Then enter your destination and tap directions, selecting driving, walking, or public transit so the app uses the proper routing profile. Make sure to inspect route options, avoid tolls or pick the fastest path, and pick the one you prefer. Once the route loads, press start and keep the phone upright or mounted. That keeps positional accuracy and voice guidance reliable during travel. Finally, fine-tune settings. Enable precise location, background app refresh, and grant location access always for uninterrupted tracking. If the GPS drifts, toggle airplane mode off and on, or switch location services off then back on to force a fresh satellite fix. When problems persist, reboot your iPhone or check for an iOS and Map app update. Updates often contain positioning fixes. If nothing else works, try a quick network settings reset before contacting support. That usually resolves stubborn connectivity or configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.